So today our discussion is what? Today our discussion is Eureka setup. Eureka setup and what? Dashboard view. Dashboard view. This is the concept, right? This is the concept. We will see that. Okay, how our what Eureka server dashboard will look like. Okay, and some property also we will learn, right? Some property also we will learn. Okay, so the question is what? First we will understand, guys. Okay, so whenever we learn, right? Whenever we learn what Spring Boot like data JPA, web, email, scheduler, those things, right? These kind of programming, whenever we are doing, our Spring Boot is giving what? One parent project, right? One parent project, and we are creating the child project, and there we are doing that what? Programming, na? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, last time, okay, because here it's neat, guys. Okay, our Spring Boot knowledge, Spring Boot, like whatever things we learned, core module, rest template, as well, sorry, RESTful module, web, email, scheduler, email and scheduling concept, data JPA, those things we learned, right? Something like auto configuration. I hope the people are remembering this terminology. Whenever I'm saying that what, the things will come as a what? Auto configuration mode in Spring Boot whenever we are working in Spring Boot now. I hope the people are remembered.
Yes, remember.
Yeah, so at the time of explaining what is that Spring Boot, I said that, right? So whenever we are creating the, like what, whenever we are creating Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot application, what is that? One what? Spring Boot parent project is created, right? What is that? Already is there. Based on that, what we are doing now, we are creating what? Child project, right? So Spring Boot parent project, right? Parent project. Based on this parent project, which kind of programming we can do it now, guys? Like what is that? Data, we are enabling what? Data JPA programming, like basic things, right? Web application, like what is that? Restful services are what? MVC application we are developing using what is that? Email. Using parent project, what is that? Spring Boot parent project, we can do it. What is that? Email kind of programming, right? Emailing programming. And what is that? Scheduling programming, right? Scheduling programming, like etc. This type programming, whenever we are doing, we are taking the help of what? Spring Boot parent project, right? And what we are doing now, we are creating our own, what is that? Whatever project we are creating, that project extending our what? Our what? This parent project, right? This parent project. So by default, what will happen now? These right, these things will come. What is that? By default in child project, right? We are creating our own child project. Nah, come on, guys. This is like what? This is the our Spring Boot programming whenever we are doing now. Project, right? Project, this is called what? Child project, right? This is the child project whenever we are doing and the, like what? Basic programming, like what is a database, data JPA programming, web, like RESTful, Spring Boot REST, as well as what? Spring Boot MVC. Those programming, whenever we are doing now, we are taking the help of what? Spring Boot parent project, right? Already these things I covered. I don't know the people are remember or not. When I was started,
Yes, Ravi,
right?
yes, yes.
When I was started Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot programming, guys. Okay, when I was started what Spring Boot programming, at the time only I was explained this, right? Spring Boot parent project will be there using Spring Boot programming. What we are doing now, this programming we are enabling in our what project. So same like whenever we are doing, right, whenever we are doing what microservices programming, guys. Okay, microservices programming to enable, right, enable what Eureka, config server, Joule and what is this Joule and what history concept, right? So for that also one parent project is there, right? One parent project is there here also. One parent project is there, right? So we are going to learn Spring Boot, right? We are going to learn what Spring Boot programming na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yeah, so here what is that here whenever we are learning the now, this is what Spring Boot parent project. Using the Spring Boot parent project, which kind of programming we are enabling now, guys? Data JPA, web, email and scheduling kind of programming we are enabling now. Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, so same like whenever we are enabling, what is that, whenever we are enabling like what is that Eureka server, Eureka server, and what is that config server, and what is that Joule server, as well as Joule, and what is that Histrix. So to doing this kind of programming, our Spring Boot is given what one more parent project. That parent project is name is what? Parent project name is what? Spring Cloud. Spring Cloud. What is that? Spring Cloud parent project. What is that, guys? What is the name? Please give the response.
yes, Ravi.
Spring Cloud.
Yeah, Spring Cloud, right? Spring
Spring
Cloud.
Cloud
So
parent project.
yeah, so whenever we are doing the programming, we are using, whenever we are creating our own project, that project will become what? Guys? Project will become what? Child project. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
That project will become what? Child project, right? So this project is extending, right? So this project is extending now. Okay, good. So whenever we are creating our own child, our child project, right? Whenever we are declaring what our child project, so whenever we are extending, right, by default this project, what is that? By default parent project services will come or not, guys, in this child project? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, so good. But the thing is, guys, okay, so whenever we are using the Spring Boot application, right, whenever we are creating a Spring Boot project, right, so the thing is this project also will come. But the thing is, guys, just let's understand using what core Java concept, right? Just I'm giving one concept, guys. Just tell me, guys. So like what is that? Just I'm taking what class A. We have class, let's take V, right? We have class B, and what is that? One more class, right? One more class, right? What is that? C class I'm taking, right? One more class I'm taking. Two class we have, and what is that? What I'm doing now? Class A extends what? B and what C. This is the possibility. We can be our Java is supporting multiple
No, Ravi.
inheritance.
No.
Come on, guys, our Java is
No, Ravi.
supporting.
No.
So this is the right things. or wrong, guys? Come on, tell me you only, guys.
Absolutely wrong.
Totally
Yes.
wrong, right? Give the everyone response, because this is the core Java concept I'm asking. I'm not asking about that what. I'm not asking about that our Spring Boot microservices related concept. Just tell me, guys.
No, that is wrong.
Ravi, yeah.
Give the
This is
response.
wrong. Multiple
Inheritance
not
is not
supporting multiple.
supporting. Our Java is not supporting what? Multiple inheritance, right?
Yes, multiple formula.
Yeah. So but we can enable, right? But we can use, what is that? But we can use, if right, A extend B is possibility is there, but using has a relation, right? OC like this we can create or not using has a relation.
Yes, Ravi.
We can stable the relation or not, guys? We can stable the
Yes,
relation
Ravi,
between between this is the correct or not, guys? Come on.
yeah, Ravi, absolutely correct. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
this is the correct, same way, guys. Okay, same way. So because at the time of doing the programming, we need, what is that? Both parent, guys. Okay, both parent classes, right? Both parent classes. And whenever we are declaring that what this our child project, we need, what is that? Both parent. So how the possibility is there? How the possibility is there? Then we have need to make the has a relation between, what is that? Both for project or not. Come on, one project,
Yes,
parent
Ravi.
project
Yes.
is there, and what we will do it now, this project we will make as a what? Has a relation. Then we can use the this services also in this project or not. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Yes, right? So just normally, right? Just normally. So at the time of, we are not doing, guys, okay, our everything will come as, what is that? Automated environment. But the things what we have need to understand also, right? Because suddenly if the question will come, if I'm not explaining this one, right, the people will ask, okay, Ravi, this is the parent project and we are declaring the child project, right? But we are using these services also, then how we can enable this programming, right? So this kind of question will come or not, guys, in your mind?
Yes, Ravi. Confusion. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Confusion will get.
So yeah, so the thing is, guys, now the thing is so whenever it's a need both, right? It's a need both parents. So how we can make that, like, what is that? How we can make has a relation between, because this project is created based on that POM dependency. Come on, this one will create as a POM dependency na. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
So
Yes, Ravi. Home dot
this one also,
Yeah.
if because at the time of creating, right, whenever we are putting the like jar and a var, and if we are creating our, what is that? Maven project, then what is that? We need to put the dependency in the pom.xml na. Come on.
yes.
Yeah. So
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
same way. So here also this project also POM only, right? This project also in the POM only. I will show each and everything as a practically, guys. Okay, don't worry about that, right? Don't worry about that. But focus on this focus on this explanation, guys. Okay, focus on this explanation. And the thing is, guys, whatever things I'm explaining, if you guys are sitting in the interview based on the 3 to 4 years of experience, definitely each and every question will come front of you. So the thing is, guys, be serious about that microservices, and don't bother about the market, right? What the people are teaching, who is the good teacher, who is the bad teacher. Don't worry about that. Don't think also like this. Okay, everyone is good, guys, everyone is bad. Some people are doing businesses, because of that they are extending the subject. That's it. Okay, because just why I'm saying that, guys, and here we are not doing the businesses, right? Here we are not doing the businesses, because of that we are learning the good subject. Okay, so the thing is, guys, focus on this subject, and what is I believe on this subject, and based on this subject only you guys will crack the interview, as well as you guys will survive the job also. you guys survive the job also. It's 100%. If people want, right, oh hey Ravi, write it somewhere, right? We can survive based on learning this kind of subject. We can survive the job also, also or not 100 to 100%. I'm saying, guys, okay, you guys will survive the job also, as well as if you sit in the interview also, you guys will crack the interview, right? Because I'm not going to compromise, right? I'm not going to compromise in the microservices single area also, guys, okay? Single area also, guys, okay? But the thing is, if any doubt is there related to current discussion, ask me. But the future concept, if you ask in the current session, just my answer is I will tell later. This is the answer, but the question will I will cover, because whatever you guys will ask the question, don't worry, right? I'm not forgetting anything. I'm not for even the people are messaging in the group also, right? Just if I'm not giving the reply, it's not meaning that I'm not observing, right? I am observing the who's the like putting the message with which intention. I'm observing the intention also, as well as what. But the thing is, we can't change each and everyone now. So okay, so forget about that and leave it, all those things. Just learn and what, focus on this subject, guys, okay? Focus on this subject. You guys will become unique in the microservices. It's my challenge. It's my challenge, because my total experiences is there in what, Spring Boot and microservices only. Whatever my experiences is there, total my experiences in what, Spring Boot and microservices only, guys, okay? So yeah, so let's understand, right? Let's understand. Okay, so good, so using what is that, using POM parent, right? POM parent, right? Using what is that, this is also POM, this is also POM, right? This is also POM, right? So this is also parent project and this is also parent project. But what is that, at a time we can extend only one only one, right? Only one. What is that, parent? Na, come on.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
so how we can inherit, this project also? Because at the time of doing cloud Spring Boot cloud programming, right? Spring Boot cloud programming, these things also we need na. Without these things we can't do the programming using what, we can't do the programming related to microservices na, guys. Come on, yeah.
Yes. Required.
Yes.
Required na.
Required.
Without this concept we can't do the microservices programming, right? So then which parent is providing these services? Spring Cloud parent project is providing these services, right? So whenever we are creating the project, this parent also need here na. Come on.
Yes, needed.
Yeah, so this parent project, if we want to implement here, right? If we want to give, right? In this project, right? In this project, so we need what? One tag. That tag, based on that tag, we can inherit, right? We can establish the has a relation between what, this parent project, guys, okay? That is what, dependency management. That tag is nothing but what, dependency management, right? Dependency management. And this dependency management is called what? This dependency management is called what? Bill of what material? BOM, guys, okay? BOM. This is the full form, right? This is the full form. Bill of what? Bill of material. Bill of what? Materials, right? Bill of materials. Now this is the what, if anyone, actually I did not took what like Maven session, guys, okay? But whenever we will learn Maven, I will explain this one, right? I will explain how we can add multiple parent classes, multiple parent project in what, in a single child project, right? Single child project means what? To adding what? Different two parent project, different two parent project in a single project. Using which tag now, guys? Using which tag? Using which tag? Dependency management. Clear, guys? Anyone having any doubt till now?
Yes. Dependent.
Yeah.
No,
So
yeah.
now let's see this one, guys. Okay, let's see this one as a what? Practical also. What I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? I'm going to create one what? Spring Boot starter project. Now I'm taking what? File, new, and I'm taking what? Spring starter project, right? I'm taking what? Spring starter project. Good. So just for to showing the my intention is to show these things, guys. Okay, my intention is to showing these things. Okay, except that I'm not still doing the programming. Don't worry about that, right? Because if the basic things knowledge is not there, guys, okay, directly if we start the programming, guys, it's a horrible to understand. It's a horrible to understand the programming, guys, because microservices doing the microservices programming, more maturity need, guys. Okay, more maturity need. Okay, because of that I'm explaining only theory is still. See that today fourth session is going on, right? Today fourth, our last weekend two sessions we took. Now this weekend, today also Sunday na, fourth session, but still theory is only going on. Still I'm not taking what? Practical. Why? Because everything will come as a practical, guys. Okay, so because of that I'm building your primary things, guys. Okay, whatever primary things need, right? Those things first we are building, then we will implement the application, right? Then we will implement what? Application. So okay, good. So okay, good. Now, so just what I'm doing now, here I'm creating one project now, guys. Okay, here I'm creating one project. Next, now I'm selecting what? Eureka server and what? Spring Web, right? Eureka server and what? Spring Web. Now take the next, finish it. Let's create the project. Don't bother about the anything, guys. Okay, just my intention is to showing the both parent, how the parent, and just I will show that what? I will show this what? This dependency. I will show this what? Sorry, tag, dependency management tag. This is my intention. Because of that I'm creating this application now. Okay, guys, so good. So here what I'm doing now, see this. Okay, DOM. Now I'm opening the pom.xml, right? So let's open now. So this is the parent project na, parent project. Come on, this is the one tag. This is
Yes,
the one.
parent tag. Parent tag.
Based on that, which kind of programming we are, based on this tag, which kind of programming we are enabling now, guys?
Spring Boot.
Spring Boot related, like what is that? Core, Spring Data JPA, Spring REST, Spring Web, MVC, this kind of programming if we want, then which this project need, this parent project need, guys. Okay, this parent project need. But we here what we are going to learn it now, we are going to learn what? Spring Boot Cloud na, Spring Boot Cloud, nothing but microservices na, guys. Come on.
Yes,
Yeah. So now come here, now come down. See, so how whenever we are creating, what is that tag now, guys? What is the tag now? Come on. Dependency man. And just observe it. What is that? Our cloud, spring cloud dependencies is there or not inside
Cloud
this one?
dependency.
This is the imported or not? This is the imported. This is the imported or not, guys? See here, what is the tag now, guys? What is the scope is what? Imported na? Come on, yaar. Now
Yes.
whatever my explanation is there, based on our explanation, our theory is going on, our what is that practical is going on or not, guys? Come on.
Yes. Dependency practical.
Yes. So good. The question is, now let's understand the question, right? Let's understand the question. I'm preparing one question now, guys. Okay, I'm preparing here what? One question. Question is what? Our question is what? What is POM 1 minute. First I will show that what is that. Just read once, open the internet guys. Okay, open the Chrome. Just I'm opening the Chrome. Just see that what is the full form of what bomb, and explanation. Just read once guys. Okay, because here we are not going to learn what is that Maven tool na. So if when I will take what Maven tool session, that time again I will explain those things. But here just what is that, understand what is that bomb, bomb, right? What is that bomb? Just what is that bomb in Maven? What is the bomb in what Maven? See this guys, BOM stand for what? Bill of materials na. In Maven, let's use what define the version of the dependency of transitive dependency, right? Packaging different. This is the, just read one more time, right? What is the use, you guys will understand. Okay, you guys will understand. And when I will take the Maven tool session, at the time I will create two project, right? Two project, and I will add it. Okay, I will add it, and I will show that. So good. So okay, so now you want to see that this is the, you want to see that this is the different parent, and this is the different parent. Now guys, you guys want, I will show that. Wait. Okay, so this is the, in this parent is enabling what? This parent project is enabling what? Which kind of programming now guys? Which kind of programming now?
Spring main project.
Spring basic programming, right? Spring basic programming.
Yes.
And if we want, right, if we want what, Spring Boot programming, right? Spring Boot programming. See this org Spring framework boot packages. This is the given by whom? Spring Boot what? Spring framework boot packages. Now open this one, right? Now open this one, right? This is the related to what? This is the related to our what? Spring Boot project, right? See this is the packaging also, right? But I'm going to open the our parent project about what? Microservices. See, just I'm opening this one now guys. See this here also one parent project is there na. Parent project is there, right? Come on, this is also one parent
Yes.
project. So just observe the package name guys. What is the package name here?
Spring
Spring
framework
cloud.
Cloud, right?
Yeah.
Cloud. But
Yes.
see this just observe the package folder now. Here package folder. What is that now guys? Come on, yeah.
boot here.
Yes, Ravi.
Boot, right? Both are the different project or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Totally different. Yes.
And to build what together, build what? Both project together. What is that? What tag need guys? What tag need in the same project?
Dependency management. Yes.
And
Dependency management.
and there we are adding that what parent project dependency or not? Come on.
Yes.
Clear? I
Dependency.
hope
Yes.
people are clear about this one, right? I hope people are clear about this one, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now my question is what is bomb, and what is that, what is the bomb, right? What is bomb in what? In
Bomb.
Maven in Maven, right? Maven. Question is, this is the, okay, so the answer is what? The answer is what? POM is what? POM stands for what? Project
Project.
object
Object
model.
Management.
Modeling.
Project object model, right? For every Maven project, right? For every project, for every Maven project, for every Maven project, this file exists. This file exists. Even it can have one project also. it can have one parent project. It can have what? Parent project. Also is called as what? Also is called also is called as parent project. Also is called what? Parent project. If you want to add what? Second parent project. Now if you want to add what? Second parent project. Or second parent, or then Maven doesn't support second project, then second project can be added using which tag now, guys? Using which tag? Come on, give the reply, guys.
Dependency management.
Dependency management.
Dependency management. Using which tag? Dependency management. If is called what? Is that is called what? As a bill of what?
Bill of material. Bill of material.
Bill of materials, right? Bill of materials. Then this is we have like, what is that? We have like what? Parent project. Then like a parent project. Like a parent, right? Parent. So good, guys. So we seen that, right? We seen that. Okay, so the next things, what is that? So we created, right? We created what? One project, and we seen that all those things. Now the another question now, guys. Okay, we are going to we are slowly learning, guys. Okay, we are slowly learning, because initially if I start what is a long session, right, then the problem is what? To doing the practical also is becoming a problem, as well as what? To understanding the things also. Because of that, I'm taking what is that session. Last weekend also I took what is that, only 1 or 2 hours session only, right? Even yesterday itself only our session was what? Just 40 minutes. Okay, so don't expect today also I will not take long session, guys. Okay, I will not take long session, because from your side also, right, whatever till now I explain, read once. Okay, write also, as well as what? Today little bit I will start the practical also. Do that one also, right? Do that one also. Next weekend onward our session will be like what? 6 to 7 hours. 6 to 7 hour continuous, right? So but
Thanks, Ravi. Thanks.
yeah, but the
Really
things is,
thanks.
initially guys, I will not give that much load to you people, because I know that, right, to understand the microservices design, it will take too much time. Okay, it will take near about not too much time. Okay, if you guys are seriously, if you read 2 to 3 time, right, the things will come. So okay, so our next question: how many parent project can be added to one Maven project? The question is what? My question is what? Another question is what? But don't worry, still our session is it's not over, right? Still I will take the session. Okay, today also our session will be near about still 1 hour I will take. So okay, so the question is what? How many parent project, right? Parent project can be add added, right? Added to one Maven project. This is the question now, guys. This is the question. Come on, give the answer now, guys.
Yes,
Ha,
sir.
I need answer from you based on the our
More
explanation.
than
Two
parents
parent
can
project.
add it.
Using what? Using what? Maven project, right? Using Maven project, how many project we can add it? Answer is what? Answer is what? Only one, guys. Okay, only one.
Yes, sir.
Using what is that? Using parent project. Using what? Using parent tag. Using parent tag, right? Using parent tag. So, but we can link